Welcome, everyone. This is Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, here to reveal and give you some inspiration for our latest card kit, Best Year Yet. I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 clear stamp set, and this is also called Best Year Yet, and it has many large messages for birthdays, along with some smaller messages that can be paired together. Towards the bottom, we have all the birthday presents that you need, and also some great balloons in a cluster, plus a cake. This is a great set all year round for all your birthday card making needs. We're also including a pack of our new A2 pastel color blends, and these are beautiful glossy cardstock with a blend of colors printed on top. So these are white core paper, and these can be used as backgrounds. You can also use them to do some die cutting. They die cut beautifully with some detailed dies, and you can see the color array goes through the rainbow. So there are 8 sheets in total with a nice combination of colors for our pastel color blend. Also in this kit is the fancy birthday die, and this is one die, and it cuts out a really nice large happy birthday that's big enough to fill almost an entire card front. You'll also receive our place and score tool. This is our new embellishment wand that has 2 uses. The one side is a scoring tool, so you can score your own note cards or reinforce score lines for your die cuts. On the other end is a wax tip, and this is used for placing your sequins and small embellishments. The wax tip comes off if you need to replace that, and we also sell replacements in our store. You'll also receive a pack of the Simon Says Stamp Surprise Party Sequins, and they have a really beautiful range of rainbow colors along with sequins and confetti. And to go with your sequins, we're also including one of our triangle trays, and you can use these to spread out your sequins so you can choose the individual colors that you'd like to add to your cards and projects. Once you have your sequins in your tray, it's really easy to use that wax tip for the placement tool to pick them up and add them to your cards. We're also including a set of 7 glitter pens, and these are from Violet Studio. The colors include pink, orange, yellow, purple, teal, blue, and also silver. These have a rolling ball tip, so you can get a constant flow of ink, and they're perfect for use if you want to do some writing or doodling, or even to color in your stamped images. To go with the party theme of this kit, we're also including an American tag, and this is a really pretty blue in a number 2 size. The cardstocks for this kit are Island Blue and Doll Pink. Those were 100-pound from Simon Says Stamp, and also a sheet of 80-pound Nina White. We're also including one of our shrink plastic sheets, and this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet. You can use these with your die cuts or also stamp with a StazOn or permanent ink. I've created a small tag using the Wish Big from the stamp set, and I've also punched a hole so that I can attach it to my card with a ribbon or brad. Once you have your shrink plastic ready to go, you can use the highest setting of your heat gun to shrink the plastic. I'm using our place and pierce tool so that I can hold this in place as it rolls around on my pet tool. The shrink plastic will shrink to 20% of the original size, and once I have this completely melted, I like to set a block on top of it so that it'll lay flat. I've created a card with the pastel color blends and the happy birthday die, and then I have my little shrink plastic pieces off to the side with some sequins. Nina used an embossing folder on her pastel color blends for her background and then created a panel on top with the stamped images. Tina Smith created an entire background with the happy birthday die and then stamped Wish Big onto the color blends with some candles as the eye. And finally, Susie Plantamera made a shaker card with the sequins and the small messages behind with a happy birthday on top. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Best Year Yet. I do have some links in the description box below on how to purchase this kit and also to our blog for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.